Dear students, in this unit we will talk about special characteristics of higher phyla, including echinodermates and chordates. These echinodermates and chordates, they share a unique similarity. Both are deuterostomes. Now, what is a deuterostome? Deuterostome literally means second mouth. What happens that during the embryonic stages of their cell division, the anal part is synthesized before as compared to the mouth part. So their anal part is synthesized earlier than their mouth part. So this special characteristics is called as deuterostome. So both echinoderms as well as the chordates, they are the deuterostomes. Now, we all are aware that echinoderms are the animals which live in the oceans, and that includes starfish, sea urchins, brittle stars, sea cucumbers, sand dollars, etc. Now, why they are called as echinoderms? Because of their spiny skin. Echinos means spiny and dermos means skin. So the organisms which is present in this phylum, they have spiny skin. It is actually a kind of skin, calcareous endoskeleton called ossicles. So their body is made up of that calcareous endoskeleton. And most of the animals of this, they are pentaradially symmetrical, which means that they have 5 or more than that. They have limbs, and they are united around a central axis. Now, they have a unique system for the gases exchanges, for nutrient circulation, and for locomotion. This is called as water vascular system. This specialized system makes them differentiated from other phyla. It's a very unique system. They have a metroporite, which is a point of entry and exit of water. So water goes inside those hollow canals along their limbs, and all the nutrition and the exchange of gases or excretory material takes place through those water vascular system. And then after the exchange, the water comes out, and then the fresh water goes inside, which helps in the exchange of gases as well as nutritions. When we talk about the chordates, chordates are very unique and advanced phylum of the animals. They have specialized notochord, they have a dorsal nerve cord, pharyngeal slits, as well as post-anal tails. The notochord actually acts as a primary axial support of the body throughout the life of the animals. When we talk about the subgroups of the clades of invertebrates inside the chordates, there are two invertebrate clades. One is called Urochordata and the other is called Cephalochordata. Urochordates are also called tunicates, while the cephalochordates, they are also known as lanceolate. And other than invertebrates, most part of this phylum Chordata has vertebrate animals. Now, these chordates, they have inhabited in almost all major habitats, whether it's terrestrial, whether it's aquatic, whether it's freshwater bodies. They are present almost everywhere. They are capable of locomotion by means of muscular movement at some stage of their life. For example, tunicate larva, it moves with the help of tail, while cephalochordates, they move their body by the undulation of their body, they move. And invertebrates, the general body movement takes place with the help of so many specialized organs present in them.